side. Yo, we draw weapons, recorded sessions, keeping track of every rhyme that I said. From now until the time that I'm dead. Cypher with the voices I hear inside of my head. What they thinking was some little emo punk? Bitch, can't get any higher, I don't need no blunt. I got enough alcohol in my blood to get mosquitoes drunk. I tally up every submarine that my torpedo sunk. I still know Guidos that take Pelico bumps at work before lunch for reeling the dirt. They have to fucking deal with this jerk. I come stronger with the more feelings I hurt. War platoons, slaughtering goons, toss them off of the booze. Watch them hit the floor and bust like water balloons. Often they lose, celebrate, offer me booze. That would depend, channel event. Hip-hop will be the best source. We connect like Ethernet cords. I could care less if they're receiving awards. The soul cities in the stores, I unleash with a force. I kill anyone that thinks that he could be the next boss. T-Bones crush, we do this so much, I wanna murder me a whole bunch. Leave every MC dead on the floor. They ain't ready for war. We step over their corpses to get me some more. Setting fire that be killing hundreds. I switch to my kicks with my fists. Get tired of swinging punches, wearing Vans, so don't take the chance. I punch MCs in the face until I break my hands. My boys are fester, poison tester. Fuck with your girl and let the rest of my boys molest us. So enjoy the rest of your evening. On the floor bleeding, the only one cracking a smile while you're all grieving.
Za 40 minut mám, hele, až 50 hodiny, ale